bridal studios today. I got the Medicube HR Booster Pro during the 11/11 sales. Let's unbox this together. It's quite intuitive. You can just press the mode.
Booster mode, level 1.
It will read out to you what mode and level it is.
Microcurrent mode, level 1. Dermashot mode, level 1.
The instruction menus tells you the different mode that they offer and how often can you use it. My boyfriend got me the chocolate origin lava cake. This 买大家 share 的。
China's largest economic center, Shanghai.
I booked an appointment to do my hair. I've been wanting the appointment for quite a while. Take this chance because my hair is very crusty.
Broccoli, water.
Let's try this air.
You want any of my stuff like broccoli?
Yeah, I want broccoli. You want Brussels sprouts?
Yes. What's
You want how many you want? Oh, sorry.
What's that?
Brussels sprouts.
Oh,
You want sweet potato? How about dory fish?
sweet potato I have also.
Nice
Chicken breast?
The ones so dry.
Okay. Thank you.
I just bawled my eyes out for like... I got my bag of fish that I got from NTUC. It's a sushi fillet. Got 3 of them and I'm going to marinate it now. I'm going to be using some Cajun blend, some onion powder and garlic powder. Now I'm gonna cut the fish up and put it in a metal bowl to put into the air fryer. While my fish is cooking, I'm gonna try and find a recipe to make Korean spinach banchan. So the first step is to boil the spinach. I didn't realize there's so much, so it cannot really fit inside here, but it will make do. Okay, the first step is to cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, it says here 1 garlic clove. So I'm just gonna add some garlic powder. And the next one is green onion, which I don't have. And next is 1.5 spoon of soy sauce. Because I'm using the Chinese one, I think it's gonna taste different. I'm just gonna add 1 scoop first. Oh, it's 1.5 teaspoon. Oh my god. It's teaspoon, not tablespoon. Oh. Okay, but I realized the amount, 8 ounces, is probably like half of mine, so I'm just going to use tablespoon and hope it works. Sesame seed, I'm just going to eyeball. Okay, and I'm going to attempt to mix all of these together. It's a fail. I think because the soy sauce is Chinese soy sauce, it doesn't really taste like the Korean side dish. But nonetheless, it's still okay. It's not too salty or anything, but it just doesn't taste like that. Yeah, it's a failed attempt. Meal prep Baltimore is completed, although not the best, but I tried my best, so I guess that's what matters, right? Got some good old Ya-Kun before dinner. Yeah, my mom.
Later we can get champion bun.
Oh yeah. We're currently going to try out 2 bridal studios today. Joe and LaBelle, I think. Yeah. Let's go! Recently the sky has been just raining non-stop. Yeah, the cute shop houses.
You got take after or not?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just put on top, just put on top.
Open your, open.